Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to make portfolio in Wix Studio. So as you can see right here, I am using a template from Wix Studio. So I'm going to show you on how you can use the template from Wix Studio and then we are going to customize it. Okay, so as you can see right here, all of this responsive template from Wix Studio. So we are going to head over to this page later on. So of course, before anything else, we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to type out wix.com. Okay, then after that, once you have switched your Wix editor to Wix Studios, you'd be able to see here all of the website that you have created. Okay, so these are the website that I have created. So make sure to log in or check that you are on the right account. Okay, so once you're done with that, the next thing that we should do now is to create or choose a template for our portfolio. Okay, so to do that, you just have to simply click on the create new site option at the top right of our screen. So this one. Okay, that's right. And right here we have the studio template and then the studio blank canvas if you wanted to start from scratch, and you also have the use of Wix editor. So for this video, we are going to focus on how we can create our Wix portfolio using the template. So right here, you just have to choose a template and start creating our website. Okay, as you can see right here, we have a search bar that we can use to search for a specific template. And of course, right here, we have all of the responsive templates that we can use. We also have the blank canvas if you want to start from scratch. Okay, so here, going back at the top, when we clicked on this option, we have here the categories. So we have the main, the type, the industry, the features, and then the style. So as you can see under the style, we have here the portfolio. So when we clicked on this one, and then at the top as well, we have the portfolio. So say for example, we're gonna find a portfolio right here. We can also use a search bar and then type out portfolio, and we'll be able to see here different responsive template that we can use. Okay, so we are going to click on this one once again and then click on the portfolio option. And then after that, you'd be able to see here all of the available templates that you can use. And then when you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you'd be able to see here an option where you can click on so that you can proceed to the next page and you'll see more available templates that you can use. So let's go back to page number 1 and say for example you're an architect and then you are going to use this template. So you can view this template first before editing this one, so you can decide if this is the right template for your business or for you. Okay, so here we can also test the different views. So we have the tablet view for this one as well as the mobile view. And if you think this template is good or this is template that you're looking for, you just have to simply click on the edit website at the top right of your screen, and from there you can now start customizing this website. Okay, so let's start with the header. So we are going to change the text for this one. For example, what is your name or the name of your business? So I'm just going to tap it right here, Koi's Design. Okay, and then if you would like to change the vector art or if you have your own logo, so just click on the logo once again. And as you can see right here at the right side, you can change the style of the text, the alignment, and then the format. So I'm going to change the logo for this one. So of course, if you have your own branding, just have to simply click on choose vector art, and then you just have to click on upload media and then upload media from computer. Or you can also use media from Wix, and you can also use the search bar. Now let's change the background. So to change the background, just click on it, and right here the right side, you just have to click on change media. Okay, so you just have to choose an image or video for your background. So you just have to click on upload media from computer, or you can also use media from Wix. I'm just going to use media from Wix, and then I'm going to use the search bar to search for a specific background that I wanted to use. So for example, house design. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and then once you found your background, so you just have to simply click on it and click on the change background option. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and as you can see, we have successfully changed the background. Now for this section, so for example, you would like to change the name of this one, so you just have to click on it and then click on edit the text. Okay, so when you scroll down right here, you have more information. So of course, if you wanted to add more cells, you just click on the add cell option, and then you have an option to add a cell to your right, to your left, to the top, or to the bottom. Okay, so now let us proceed to this section. Okay, so whenever you click an element, this one at the right side will pop up, so you can start customizing that specific element. Okay, so we have here the details or the settings where you can customize this one. Okay, so here if you want to change the image, you just have to click on it and then click on change image. Okay, so as you can see right here at the left side, we have this different options. So here, for example, you would like to add a new image, you would like to add a title, a paragraph, or another section. So you just have to click on the add elements options and then go to the quick add. We also have here the containers, layout tools, and many more to improve your website. And of course, one of the important things is how you can add a new page. So as you can see right here at the top left, we have this page section. So here to add a new page, you just have to simply click on it. And for example, right here, let's visit one of our pages for now. So this page is our project page. And assuming that you wanted to create a new page, so just simply click on the pages at the top left again and click on manage pages. And once you do that, you'd be able to see this option right here at the bottom, add a new page. So you can add a page or a dynamic page. I'm just going to add here a standard blank page. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then after that, you have to name your new page. I'm just going to type out right here, new project. Okay, and then after that, you can now start customizing this page. So of course, if you would like to add a column or you would like to add here all of the details for new projects or new designs, you just have to go to the element section. And then here you can now start adding your media, or if you want to link this to another website, so you can also do that by adding button and link. Okay, so for example, I'm going to add an image right here, and I am going to add a title for this image. So just go back to the add elements option at the top left, and then just click on the quick add option, and then you can now add here a paragraph, text, buttons, or container. So I'm just going to add a title for this one. And then after adding the title, you can now add here your own title or your own text. Okay, so after that one, you can now try to preview your edits, or you can click on the view. So let's go back now to the home page once again. And as you can see right here, we can click on the different views at the top. So we can check if all of the elements that we have added are responsive. Then after that, you can click on the preview option. And then once you're okay with everything that you have added, just click on the publish option at the top right of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.